Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to change preferred language in Google Sheet. So let's start. The first open your Google Sheet, then go to the File tab, and here just scroll down and click on the settings option. And here the one dialog box is open, settings for the spreadsheet. In general tab you can see here the last option, display language English. To change the language, just click on the language, and here the language page is open. And in language you can see the preferred language English showing, and if you want to change other language you can add the another language also. Just click on it and click on here, and you can see the list of language here showing. You can just type here, so I just enter here the Chinese and I select the Chinese simplified and click on the save, and here you can see the language is added. Just click on this arrow to move up this language, and now just click on this again, this arrow, to make this language my preferred language in Google Sheet. I just click on it, and that's it. Here you can see language change, the Chinese language. I go to the Google Sheet and click on the save settings, and after that just reload your Google Sheet. Okay, and see here all tab is showing in Chinese. Okay, if you want to change again, click on the file tab, the first tab. Okay, and then scroll down, and here you can see the gear icon is indicate. Just click on it, and here the last option is the language. Just click on here and just scroll down, and in English just click on this arrow to make the preferred language English. I just go to the my Google Sheet and click on the save setting, reload the Google Sheet, and here you see. So this is the way you can change the preferred language in Google Sheet. Hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe. Thank you so much.